In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Copilot on Windows 11. Whether you want to streamline your taskbar or you simply don't use the Copilot feature, this guide will walk you through the easy steps to disable it. We'll take just a few minutes to show you how simple it is to tailor your Windows 11 experience to better suit your needs. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open your settings. You can do this in a few different ways, but one of the quickest is to click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and then select the gear icon labeled Settings. If you prefer, you can also press the Windows key on your keyboard to pop open the Start menu and start typing Settings to find your way there. Whichever method you choose, opening the settings is your gateway to customizing your Windows experience. Once you're in the settings, your next stop is the Personalization section. You'll find this option listed in the menu on the left side of the settings window. Personalization settings help you control the appearance and theme of your Windows environment, allowing you to tailor everything from your wallpaper to your color scheme. It's also where we need to go to access taskbar settings. Click on Personalization and you'll see a series of options related to how your Windows looks and feels. Here, you'll want to look for the taskbar option. Simply click on taskbar and you'll find yourself in the area where you can adjust all things related to your taskbar, including what icons are displayed, and yes, including the Copilot feature. Now, once you're in the taskbar settings, scroll down until you find taskbar items. This section lets you adjust various tools and icons on your taskbar. It's an excellent place to visit if you're looking to clean up your workspace by hiding the icons you don't use as often. And it's exactly where we'll go to disable the Copilot option. In the taskbar items section, you'll see an option for Copilot with a toggle switch next to it. To turn off Copilot, all you need to do is click that toggle so that it switches to the off position. This simple action will disable the Copilot feature on your taskbar. Disabling Copilot will not only remove its icon from your taskbar, but it will also deactivate the Alt+Space keyboard shortcut used for quick access. This means you won't inadvertently open the feature while working or web browsing. And there you have it. In just a couple of minutes, you've successfully turned off the Copilot feature on Windows 11. This minor adjustment can help streamline your taskbar experience, ensuring that only the tools you use regularly are present. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more useful Windows 11 tutorials.